When where you live is a tourist destination, you just want to walk here every day and it just never gets old. Just look how beautiful this is right now. The sun is in my eye. Let me put on my glasses. The tramway is just passing right beside me right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. What do you want? Daddy. Say good morning. Say hello. Say hi. Look. You want apple? Apple? Okay, let's give you apple. He wants apple. Good morning, you guys. Today is, I don't even know what day today is. I totally lose track of this. I think it's about Wednesday. You know, when I get my workout in the first thing in the morning, I am pumped, I'm ready, I know it's going to be a good day. Make sure you guys get your workout in. It's looking so beautiful from where I'm standing right now. Outside is just looking simply amazing. The sun is shining, the beach is looking pretty, and outside is just looking really inviting. So today is gonna be a good day. But first, my baby's asking for apple, so let's get him an apple. You want an apple? Apple. Tyler is in an apple and banana phase right now. He super love apple. So what I normally do, I don't normally give him the skin, so I'm just peeling the apple and then I'm going to take out the middle section and just give him the entire apple, and he's just going to eat it all off all by himself. Apple, apple. But why are you asking for apple at 11 o'clock? I woke up this morning not so early because Tyler didn't wake until 8:30, which he's my alarm clock. So normally he would wake up at 8, but I didn't hear him until 8:30. I was wondering why my sleep is feeling so long this morning. And when I jumped up, I realized that he was still sleeping. It was 8:30, so I had to rush to give him his bottle, put him down, and jump straight into workout. So this is what his apple look like right now. There you go. What do you say? Say, you're welcome. Go and sit and have your apple, okay? My little Santa Claus. Santa Claus in April, you guys. Alright, so I jumped up, I got my workout done, which is awesome. When I get my workout in, I promise you my day is going to be super good, and I need to now start my morning routine, and I need to go and get me some breakfast and then tidy up this house, get my day going. By I finish all that, it should be time to give Tyler lunch, put him down for a nap, and get some work done. So hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay encouraged, make today a good one. Be good, and if you can't be good, be careful. Baby's off to work as usual, so you guys will see babe when he gets home later. Normally when baby leave for work, we are sleeping still in bed. I'm just gonna show you guys what outside is looking like right now. So that is outside at the moment. It's looking really beautiful. I did some laundry too, so I need to go and put them outside to make them dry because I have some more laundry to do tonight. So that is outside. It's really looking beautiful. Let's see if Tyler and I can go for a nice little stroll today. So that's what outside is looking like, you guys. That's breakfast this morning, you guys. Quick and easy. I'm having eggs and some grapes and a cup of detox tea, and I'm good to go. up right now, and it's a good moment for me to go and get my hair washed. He should be done for roughly about 2 hours, so hopefully that gives me enough time to go and wash my hair. And I also need to have lunch before we leave out for the road, because I really need to take him out today and enjoy this weather. We haven't been out all week, so it will be really a good day to take him outside. So on that note, the Jamaican expression for today is so it's set. So it's set simply means that's the way it is. So for example, if somebody asks you a question and you want to say, oh yeah, that's the way it is, say, yeah man, so it's set. So that's the Jamaican expression for today, so it's set. You get it? Make sure you get it. And when babe gets home later, of course he's going to put his spin on the Jamaican expression. I'm just going to jump into the bathroom right now, wash my locks. Okay, I'm going to wash my hair real quick because my hair is dirty. My hair haven't washed this weekend, so it's a perfect time to get my hair done. Hopefully he doesn't wake up by the time I get that done, and we can go on the road. And maybe we just wait until babe leave work to come back home, but let's see. Finished done with my hair. Hair is all washed and clean and twist, and Tyler is still asleep, thank God. But let's risk it and see if I can get myself some lunch real quick before he wakes up. I didn't take anything out the fridge, so I'm just gonna whip up something really quick. Okay you guys, so quick and easy, this is what lunch look like today. It looks a lot, but it will be just right because everything in here is light, so it will be perfect. So this is what lunch is with some water, and I'm good to go. I was determined to leave the house, and Tyler and I finally got out. We're actually at the bus stop right now, waiting for the bus. Bus should be here in about 10 minutes, which would take us to about 3 o'clock. So that's awesome. So yeah, we are going to head down by the beach, just stroll around a bit, and then we're gonna go in town and meet up with babe after he leave work. But I know there's a park close to babe work, so I'm gonna take Tyler to that park and see if he can have a little fun at the park before we meet up with babe. And I also want to go to the store to see if I get some stuff. So I'll catch you guys when we get down by the promenade. You wanna say hi, Papa? Say hello. Look, the bus, we're waiting on the bus. We're waiting on the bus. You're just chilling in your stroller, right? Waiting on the bus. You're gonna see Papa in a bit, okay? Say bye bye. Good. Bye bye. Good boy. You guys, it is such a beautiful day out, like legit beautiful. There's so much people on the beach, it's crazy. If I had known, I would bring some toys for Tyler. There he is playing. This beach is mostly stones, like these stones, these big stones right here, but they have a little bit of sand just here. Don't know what kind of sand it is. It's more like fine stone rather than sand, but it's good for him to play in, so he's just playing in it. Look, there's a plane right there. Look, see it? See? You're having fun? You're having fun? You're looking at the plane? You're having fun? The weather is really good. I put on my jacket just now because when the sun is not out, it gets a little bit chilly, but I don't really need it. But it feels really good out. Really good. It's just super beautiful. Just look at all these people behind me playing in the sand, and people out there just playing with their kids. It's just really beautiful out. It's really beautiful. I love when you're outside like this. You have so much fun. This is the boy I love outdoors. He really does love outdoors. I have my towel this time, you guys. I was looking for my bigger towel and couldn't find it, but this one will do. Tyler looking at the other kids playing. Play, Papa. Play. The beach, and we are actually in this huge park in town, but it's full of so much people. I'm heading to the section where there's swings and stuff like that, so he can run around a little bit. But there's some really cool spots here with lots of parents and stuff like that. So yeah, we're actually heading to the park, and then we're gonna see Babe after that. Wow! You're so funny. Wow! Mama's gonna get you. Mama's gonna get you. Wow! Yes. You guys, it is such a beautiful day out. We're having so much fun. Tyler actually made friends. He got to ride the swing, which was really cool. So we're just here actually waiting on Babe to leave work. When where you live is a tourist destination, you just want to walk here every day, and it just never gets old. Just look how beautiful this is right now. The sun is in my eye. I put on my glasses. The tramway is just passing right beside me right here. How cool is that? It's as if it's gonna run me over. But just look how beautiful everything around me is. It's just crazy. I just can never get used to all this. I honestly can't get used to all this. It just gets more pretty every single time that I walk this city. It's just simply amazing how beautiful Nice is. Nice is a must visit. The only thing for me, the difference between Paris and Nice, the only difference is the Eiffel Tower, but I would choose Nice over Paris any day, because for me Paris is kind of crowded and it's jumbled and all that. Even though it's beautiful, the nightlife in Paris is what I love the most. but Nice is just simply breathtaking. It's everything. It's beautiful. The beach is there. So Nice is my pick for my favorite city. Nice is my pick. I pick Nice over Paris any day, any day. You guys, look who we have here. My handsome baby is off from work.
And driving and just going down, enjoying a little bit before to go home. So
We're going window shopping because I wanted to see some stuff in H&M if they already start putting out their summer collection.
alright guys, so we home now. It's kind of late, so we decided to split the duty because there's no dinner ready. The baby's in the kitchen right now cooking when I'm here with Tyler, with this little boy, feeding him. So just split the work. Huh? This little boy just tired. Tyler. You enjoying dinner? Having some vegetables? So this is babe. While I'm eating, while I'm feeding Tyler, she's cooking our dinner. So not gonna stay long because I have to go back.
Okay guys, so I came home and I whip up dinner real quick, and this is what it looks like for tonight. But I'm having a little bit of headache because I'm out most of the afternoon and I didn't really eat because it's way past my dinner time. I'm just going to go ahead and call it the end of the vlog here. Oh babe, come here. The Jamaican expression for today is Rastaman. No, the Jamaican expression for today is so it said.
So it said.
So it said.
It said.
So there you have babe take on the Jamaican expression, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Tyler is still up roaming around and we're really tired. Bye bye. Good job. Say bye babe.
Bye bye.
Alright you guys, I'm gonna just eat dinner, go to bed, chill for the night, then go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.